Inside and outside scales for measuring and marking the inside and outside of your workpiece. 6 inches, 150 millimeters, square with 1/4 notch spacing. 2 quick angle finders for 30 degrees and 45 degrees angles. Elongated notches for accurate line scribing. Anodized aluminum material with 3 mm thickness. Milescraft 8409 MC-Square150. Layout: a square, right angle or measure angles. The multifunctional MC-Square150 is the perfect reference measurement and marking tool for precise woodworking, remodeling, and many other applications. With the built-in easy angle readout, you can also mark 30-degree and 45-degree angles. Need to draw a circle? This square can do that too. Simply remove the fence and secure the square with a nail or screw. Top reviews from the United States. Is as accurate as many others, costing much more. This is an easy choice to carry out of my shop for location work as well as a shop go-to.